Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Nishka, study and standard first. Today, I feel very proud to stand here and talk about Republic Day. On January 26, 1950, India became a republic, which means we chose to be a nation ruled by its people and guided by its constitution. Our constitution gives us rights like freedom of speech, education, and equalities. But with these rights come responsibilities like following the rules, respecting others, and working hard to make India a better country. India is a land of diversity, where people of different religions, cultures, and languages live together in harmony. हमारी एकता हमारी पहचान है, तभी तो हमारा देश महान है. Our Republic Day reminds us of the sacrifice made by the freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and many more. As a young citizen of India, let us promise to respect our country, follow its rule, and work for its progress. Remember, हम ही भारत का भविष्य है. जय हिंद, जय भारत. Thank you.